Hey guys, it's me, Kylie. I'm back with another video for you today. Today's video is going to be another unboxing, and I have a little backstory on it. It is from Fashion File, so I'm so excited to share my next Fashion File purchase, and there is a little I'll get into it in a minute. So if you're interested in a luxury unboxing, stay tuned. I would love to say hi to all my new friends. If you're just passing by or if you're newly subscribed, hello and welcome and thank you. To all my oldies but goodies, welcome back. So this video is going to be, like I said, a Fashion File unboxing. I have already opened, but I haven't looked in. So I got it a couple days ago, you guys, and I've been dying to open it, but I just have not had a second to do it. Let me tell you this before I even get into it. I did do a Fashion File unboxing maybe a week or two ago. I will link that up above if you're interested in checking out what I got before. And I did return it. And I returned it in exchange for this item. And I'll tell you a little bit more once I open it. So let's get into it. Comes with the thank you card with the Fashion File logo. Here's the little Fashion File information booklet kind of thing. They did send me a calendar this time. I think this is a calendar with the cute little Gucci Marmot flaps on it, and I want one of these so bad. Like, I think they're so adorable. And yes, it looks like it is a calendar. I am really obsessing over Fashion File, you guys, right now. Like, literally, there's all the little confetti they put in there. I am obsessing over Fashion File right now. I am finding so much awesome stuff on there, and I'm obsessed. So there's the used is the new sticker. Let's take the item out. Here it is. I cannot wait to put my hands on this, you guys. Like, I am dying. It came in this little box. And I'm not even sure how to open this with this ribbon. Oh, just pops right off. So I'm going to open it up to reveal. It does have, it didn't come with its original dust bag, but they did give me a Fashion File dust bag. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm dying. Oh my God, okay. To reveal this little beauty right here, and I am in love. Oh, it's so much prettier in person than it is online. So, if you watched that other unboxing I had, it was a Louis Vuitton. It was the wallet card holder from inside the Felici, and I got it and I really liked it, but I was really nervous about my cards. Possibly, I double my cards up a ton. Like, I have so many cards, and I was really worried about them possibly falling out in my bag and then me not being able to find them or being loose in my bag. So I decided to send that back, and I picked up this. This has been something that I have like been eyeing for a while, but just was like, do I pull the trigger? And when I saw it in this color with this beautiful shiny silver hardware, you guys, I died. So this one does have remove the tag and own the bag on it, which my other one didn't, but there really wasn't a place to put it. It has the leather pull tab, and this is the boy style. I believe it's the O coin purse. It is stunning, you guys. I can't even believe this is my first piece of Chanel. Like, do you guys even, you get how I'm feeling right now, right? You get that I'm like in love. Like, I'm Chanel crazy now. Like, my dream bag is a boy bag, but we'll save that for another video. This is my first piece of Chanel, and oh, this is the caviar leather. I'm hoping I can get you guys, this is like, it said it was white online, and I would really say it does come with the authenticity card. Let me, so this is a 24 series. There's the authenticity card. absolutely gorgeous. This piece is made in Italy. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. It does say it was white, but it's really more of a silver, and it's the shiny silver hardware, but it's like the dark hardware. It's not ruthenium. But anyways, it does, the boy O coins have the plastic, which I'm not concerned about it at all. I do want to, because I got such a light color, eventually get a darker color to switch out with. And I'll tell you one thing, you guys, I am not the girl that changes out her bag every day. Like, that is never going to be me. That's too much work for me. I am much more of the girl that wants a million SLGs, and I would rather have like, you know, 5 or 6 really awesome bags and then change out my SLGs more, because I just don't change out my bag that often. When I get a bag, I love it. I'm in love with it. I don't want to wear anything else but that bag. So I'm really enjoying going through and finding some different SLG pieces that I really love. So this is absolutely stunning, you guys. And the caviar is so soft. I have felt the caviar in store before, in the Chanel boutique, and it's just, this is very soft. I am so thrilled with this purchase, you guys. I'm looking over here because I'm thinking my camera's over there, but it's not. So there she is. Oh, stunning. I can't remember if this was new or excellent, but there was like no issues with it at all. I was really cautious about that. You know, I didn't want to buy something that had some sort of wear on it. There's no wear anywhere on there. It looks absolutely beautiful, and it did say it was white. It's kind of dark tonight, but it looks more silver to me, which I don't mind. I absolutely love it. And I have several other pieces that are on my watch list that I'm like eyeing. I am so excited. I'm going to start putting my cards in this right now as soon as this video is over with. But I had to share with my peeps that would really understand. Like, you guys get it. This is my first Chanel piece. Like, I just got my first Louis Vuitton piece a couple months ago, and now I have my first Chanel piece. So I'm thrilled. There will be more to come. Let me just tell you that now. And I do want to just tell you, for any of you that don't know about Fashionphile, it's 100% authentic. They guarantee the authenticity of their items. Another awesome thing, like, no matter what price item you get, you can put it on layaway. So like, if you don't want to spend $1,000 on a bag, but you find it on Fashionphile, you can put it on layaway. I think you have to put like 20% down or 10% down, and then you can pay on it for 60 days. So that gives you 2 months to kind of throw money on it when you've got a little extra. I think that's such an awesome option, because they do have new pieces on there. Like, I'm eyeing a couple of pieces that are brand new, like still have the stickers on the hardware and everything. So just wanted to throw that out there. If you're not familiar with them, I would definitely check them out. Fashionphile.com. I will link it in my description box. I have no affiliation with them. Obviously, I'm a little YouTuber, but I just wanted to throw that out there because I thought that was an awesome option. Even like small leather goods, like Chanel small leather goods are expensive. So if you can like get one that you find that's in great condition and put it on layaway for a month or two and help yourself out, you know, put your little extra cash on it, I think that's an awesome option, and I love that. I probably will be doing that in the future. So anyways, I just had to show you my new baby. I can't wait to show you. I'll post pictures on Instagram, so check out my Instagram. I'll link that below as well, and I will also be doing a what's in my bag with my artsy soon, so stay tuned for that. Also, my forever pieces, my girl Amy Ann, I'll link her channel. She's awesome. Go check her out if you haven't already. She tagged me in that and I haven't done it yet, so I'm gonna get on that ASAP. But I just want to show you my new baby. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe if you liked this video. Hit the notification bell, and I will see you at the next video. This is Kylie. Bye.